everyone, and welcome to our presentation on our HFLE course Environmental Management 1. Our lecturer, Sir Collis Nicholson. Introducing our group members, Miss Afia Henry, Miss Deshante Whitaker, Miss Tayasha Saint-Hale, myself, Miss Elizabeth Narain Mohitram, and lastly, Miss Petals Abrams, where we all will be doing our exploration on the topic improper garbage disposal. Improper garbage disposal is one major environmental issue that has been affecting communities tremendously. One such community that is badly affected by this issue is the village Sophia. As the population increases in this community, the waste management tends to decreases. And now hand you over to Miss Petal Abram.
Explanation on how the behavior of human beings in that environment impact the environment. There are many ways on how the behavior on improper garbage disposal by people of Sophia impact the environment. Pollution. Dumping of garbage and waste in our streets can lead to pollution of our air, water, and soil, which can produce toxic gas in the air. Health risk. Dumping of garbage can also create an environment for pests and bacteria, which can lead to health problems. These pests and bacteria can find their ways into our drinking water. I'll now hand you over to Ms. Taisha Cynthia, who will be talking a little more on flooding.
Flooding and drainage issues. When we dump our garbage, it's not only causing pollution and health risks, but also drainage problems and flooding that will create inconvenience for the residents of Sophia. I'll now hand you over to Ms. Afia Henry.
Thank you, Ms. Tayasha. The following are causes which contributes to improper garbage disposal in Sophia. We have public awareness. Some residents are not knowledgeable about the impact this issue has on the environment, thus littering becomes normal. Garbage collection services. Garbage trucks randomly visit area to pick up waste, thus causing the overflow of bins. Disposable sites. Not many disposable sites are put in place to accommodate waste in order to control it. Limited garbage bins. By not having enough bins, residents are left with no choice but throwing their garbage in drains, streets, or even nearby where they live. Last but not least, carelessness of businesses. Most businesses tend to avoid paying for removal of their garbage, which leads to dumping waste illegally. Management system are not doing their duty. I will now hand you over to my colleague, Ms. Deshante.
Solutions and recommendations. 6 practical solutions divided by stakeholders. Government solutions. Increase garbage collection. Provide regular collection services for all areas. Place more bins, especially in markets, schools, and main roads. Non-governmental organization. Run awareness campaigns. Teach people how to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Community cleanup drives. Partner with residents to keep areas clean. Then we have community or residents. Proper waste separation. Use separate bins for plastic, food, and recyclables. Stop burning garbage. Instead, bag waste property or compose biodegradable waste. And this brings us to the end of our presentation. Thank you.